Today I'm gonna show you how to set up shipping process on Shopify. And I know there are so many who are struggling to set up this, but in this video I'm going to share the process step by step. So first I'm gonna set up a Shopify shipping. For that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to shipping setting in your Shopify backend, click on setting. Now hit this shipping and delivery. Here you will see different shipping method. You can offer local delivery, local pickup or traditional shipping through the mail. If you want to set up a pickup option where your customers can collect their orders from your location, follow these steps. Click setup to begin. Now set up the location. Click this. Fill up the expected pickup date and you can set a confirmation email in this box. After that, hit save. This is pretty straightforward and I know you got this, right? Now, if you want to deliver your orders to your customer from your location, you need to set up a local delivery option. Click setup and then location. You need to add the location here on this page. Set location, select this box where it says this location offers local delivery. And finally, you are integrate a local delivery app from this option. Another thing, you can choose carrier pickup points where your customer will pick up the orders from the carrier service that you set up. This is the option shipping to pickup points. Now add a location, click this. This is also easy to set up, just turn on this. Now new option will appear below. Now set up the price here. This will standard rate by default. You can change this up. I will keep it standard. After all this, hit the done button. Now click save and that's done. Local delivery and local pickup are simple to set up. And now that you are familiar with the process, let's shift gears. Next, we'll focus on setting up shipping via mail. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up a shipping profile now. A shipping profile is like a game plan for how to handle shipping in your store. It lets you set up rules based on your product's weight or price, so your customer not charge too much or too little for shopping. Pretty handy, right? Click on new profile and set up a profile name here. In my case, I'm going with shipping and add products here. Now create a zone, click on add shipping zone. You can add countries or region from here. I will go the Asia and some other countries I prefer. Alright, you need to name your shipping zone. Now click done. Next, you need to set up your shipping rate. This is where you decide how much to charge based on either the weight or cost of an order. Click on add rate. This box will appear. Here you can either choose a flat rate or you can add carriers or apps to calculate the rate. I will go with the flat rate. Now in the shipping rate, here you will find the different options such as express, international. This is the faster shipping option for quickly delivery. Standard international, which is a moderately fast shipping method. Economy international, this is cost effective but shipping will be a bit slow. And you can also customize shipping here. However, I will go with standard international. In the price section, if you leave it as 0, that means you are offering free shipping to your customers. Free shipping can be a great way to attract more buyers and increase sales, as customers often prefer not to pay extra for delivery. However, make sure to factor shipping cost into your product pricing or overall budget to ensure it's sustained for your business. I'm giving a shipping price for all of my products, 7.99 it is. Now done, and we are all set now. A big question is how to know what to charge for shipping. You have two options: raise your product prices to cover shipping or let the shipping cost eat into your profit. The best option is usually a mix. Raise your product prices just a bit so both you and the customer share the shipping cost. To make sure you are not losing money, calculate your cost of goods, include any customer's acquisition cost, and don't forget the overhead for running your business. For example, if you have a Shopify store, break the cost down per unit to get a clear picture. Okay, now I wanna show you something super quick. If I go to my Shopify dashboard, you can see that there is an order came in and I'm ready to ship it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the order, then click create shipping label. Now print shipping label. Now this is what my label actually looks like. I'm gonna print this. After that, I'm gonna attach to my box and then I'm just gonna drop it in a mailbox. Easily done, right? So now let me tell you some benefits. First off, discount rates. You can save up to 52% on Canada Post shipping rates. So that's huge, right? So, who doesn't love saving money? Second, it's faster. You just saw how easy it is. You can buy and print your shipping labels directly in Shopify. No waiting in line at the post office. It's literally a time saver, and time is money. And third, everything's in one place. Think about it. Your orders, products, customers, inventory, it is all managed from the same dashboard. It keeps things super organized and makes your daily task so much simpler. It's like having your entire business at your fingertips, streamlined, efficient, and easy. So that's wraps about today's episode of how to set up shipping on Shopify. So if you like this video and you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel Ecom Clips. Or if you have any other query, please let us know in the comment section. You can also mail us at info@ecomclips.com. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.